If you're hearing echo, double audio, or a hollow sound while watching YouTube TV, it usually means audio is being played from multiple sources at the same time. Here's how to fix it quickly. Step 1. Check your sound setup. If you're using a sound bar, home theater system, or external speakers, make sure your TV speakers are turned off. Open your TV's audio settings, look for the sound output option, and select only your sound bar or receiver. Having both the TV speakers and external speakers active causes echo. Step 2. Make sure only one audio device is active. If your soundbar is connected through Bluetooth and also through HDMI, both can play sound at once. Remove one connection or disable Bluetooth to stop audio from playing twice. Step 3. Adjust HDMI RC or EARC settings. If you're using HDMI RC or EARC, your audio format may be causing the echo. Open your TV's sound settings and switch between PCM, stereo, auto, or Dolby Digital. Test each option until the echo disappears. Step 4. Restart your device. Restart your smart TV or streaming device. Temporary audio sync issues can sometimes create echo-like effects, and a quick reboot usually resolves them. Step 5. Reset surround sound in YouTube TV. Open your profile inside YouTube TV, go to Settings, and select Surround Sound. Turn it off, then turn it back on. This refreshes the audio signal and can remove echo. Step 6. Reconnect audio equipment. If the echo continues, unplug and reconnect your soundbar, speakers, or receiver. Also make sure your YouTube TV app and device software are updated. Outdated versions can create audio problems. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.